if I was starting from zero again as an overworked mom, here's what I would do different, because trying to do everything is exactly what kept me stuck. My name is Michelle, if you don't know me yet, and up until recently, I was that overworked mom. I remember being that exhausted working mom, doing the most, still stressed about money, and scrolling at night looking for a real plan B. When I started, I made one big mistake. I tried to learn everything at once. So, if I was starting again, I'd do these 3 things differently. 1, I'd pick one clear path and commit for 90 days. No bouncing between ideas every week. 2, I'd stop focusing on being perfect, focus on being consistent with simple steps, because messy action teaches you faster than overthinking. 3, I'd build a tiny daily routine that fits real life. 30 minutes here, 10 minutes here, instead of waiting for free time that never comes. Because you don't need more hours, you need a better system and a plan you can actually follow. If you want the exact simple routine I'd follow as an overworked mom, type start and I'll share the beginner steps with you.